Hello everyone, I'm Jamie. Welcome to another session of Viz-Tech support services. If you don't know me, I've published many well-known books on subjects of 3D, visualization, lighting, shading, texturing, rendering and post-production. For more information about me, simply Google Jamie Cardoso. This course is ideal for those who already watched my previous interior and exterior daylight courses seen in here. This unique course takes users through the meticulous process of converting 2 daylight scenes into night ones using 3ds Max, Vray and Photoshop. In this course you will learn how to photorealistically tweak lights, shaders, render settings, render elements, scripts, final rendering, post-production techniques and much more. Also, I will provide immediate technical support to students if they get stuck at any stage of this course. Finally, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you decide this course is not right for you. I really can't wait to take you through this amazing journey.